In this video, we will learn how to edit a pre-made PowerPoint template. We will use my Netflix-inspired PowerPoint template in this tutorial. Let's get started. After downloading the zip file from the Google Drive, you should export the files. Do this by selecting all the files, then press Ctrl X, then paste it on your desired folder. You can now check out the PowerPoint file from here. Open the PowerPoint file, then you will see that the first slides there have notes, reminders and instructions from me. You can delete these reminders as long as you have read all of them and you don't need them anymore all throughout your editing process. Make sure to duplicate the PowerPoint file in case you need the template again in your future presentation. This is just a sample how to replace the text and images in this template. This is not how you make a presentation. To change the text, click the text box and type your desired text. Check your output from time to time. You can move any objects just to edit a text box and bring it back afterwards. In this part, edit the black font only. So you can place any name or your group name. Amazing, right? With just simple editing, you can easily have your presentation done in few minutes, than doing it from scratch. In this part, replace the name of your groupmates. This is how you add another groupmate if you have more than 3. Duplicate the last or the green one, so the animation of the fourth one will be placed after the green one. Reposition it the way you want it. Just like that. In here, we will try to create the groupmates part but with your picture. Just follow the steps if you want this instead of the first one. Make sure to resize your personal pictures the same ratio with the shape below. In here, we use 1:1 or square ratio. In this part, we will fix the animation sequence. Watch carefully for the steps. Just like that. In this part, we will now replace the images. Watch out for the steps. You can make this image darker, so the text can still be seen. Just a reminder, this is just a tutorial how to edit my pre-made template. Not a tutorial how to make a presentation. Make sure you installed all the fonts that comes with this file, so the fonts will not be changed and not be different from your screen. This is the slide where you will show all your images, like examples, types, kinds, it depends on you. Make sure to watch carefully for the steps. And that's what you do for all the rest of the slides. Now, let's check our progress with this pre-made template. This template is available on my website. Follow for more PowerPoint templates and tutorials.